are you? Today, we are going on an exciting journey. Imagine a hardworking farmer named Ramu living in a small village. For generations, his family has grown rice, but he wants to improve his farming methods and get a better yield. In this video, let's walk with Ramu through every step of rice cultivation, from sowing to harvesting, and learn how farmers can grow the best rice crops with proper techniques. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps me bring more valuable content to you. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. Now let's begin. Choosing the best season. Ramu knows that rice grows best in the Kharif season, which falls between June and October. This is because rice needs a lot of water, and the monsoon rains provide the perfect environment for its growth. Selecting the right seeds. To get a good harvest, choosing the right seeds is important. Ramu has two options. Direct seeding method. Here he needs 20 to 25 kilograms of seeds per acre. Transplanting method. In this method, he first grows seedlings in a nursery and then transplants them to the main field. He needs only 8 to 12 kilograms of seeds per acre for this. Understanding water needs. Rice is a water-intensive crop. Ramu must ensure his field gets about 1,200 to 1,500 millimeters of water throughout the season. During the early stages, he keeps the field flooded with 2 to 5 centimeters of water. Later, he carefully manages irrigation for better plant growth. Labor requirements. Rice farming is labor-intensive. From land preparation to harvesting, it takes around 50 to 60 labor days per acre. Farmers like Ramu often work with their families or hire laborers to help during transplanting and harvesting. Best row spacing for maximum yield. To get the best harvest, proper spacing is necessary. Ramu follows these guidelines. Row-to-row spacing, 20 centimeters, 8 inches. Plant-to-plant spacing, 15 centimeters. This spacing allows rice plants to grow well and produce a high yield. Is rice a food crop or a cash crop? Rice is both a food crop and cash crop. It is a staple food for millions of people, but in some countries, it is also exported in large quantities, making it a source of income for farmers. How does rice grow? Many people wonder, how does rice grow? Rice grows upright just like corn or wheat. It does not grow underground like carrots. It does not creep on the ground like watermelon. Instead, it has tall, thin stems, and the grains grow at the top. Choosing the best soil type. The soil plays a major role in rice cultivation. Rice grows best in clayey soil and loamy soil, which can hold water for a long time. The ideal soil pH is between 5.5 and 7.0. Now that Ramu has prepared everything, let's go step by step into the rice farming process. Step 1. Land preparation. Ramu plows and levels the land to ensure even water distribution. He adds organic manure or fertilizers to improve soil fertility. Step 2. Seed selection and sowing. He carefully selects high-yielding, disease-resistant seeds. If using direct seeding, he plants them directly in the field. If using transplanting, he grows seedlings in a nursery first. Step 3. Transplanting the seedlings. After 20 to 30 days, he transplants the nursery seedlings into the main field. Proper spacing is maintained for better growth. Step 4. Irrigation and water management. Since rice needs a lot of water, he keeps his field flooded during early stages. In areas with less rainfall, he uses controlled irrigation to maintain moisture. Step 5. Fertilizer application. To improve growth, Ramu applies nitrogen N, phosphorus P, and potassium K, NPK, zinc and iron to prevent nutrient deficiencies. Step 6. Weed and pest control. Weeds and pests can destroy crops. To prevent this, Ramu removes weeds manually or uses herbicides, uses pesticides to protect the plants from brown plant hoppers and stem borers. Step 7. Harvesting the crop. After 90 to 120 days, the rice plants mature and turn golden yellow. He drains the water from the field and harvests the crop using sickles or combine harvesters. Step 8. Post-harvest processing. After harvesting, he dries the grains in the sun to remove extra moisture. Then he removes the husk to get brown rice or polishes it further to get white rice. And that's how rice is cultivated from start to finish. By following these best practices, Farmers like Ramu can achieve higher yields and better profits. Do you want to learn more farming techniques? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative farming videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.